Breadcrumb Navigation on your site. And I'm going to show you how to install the plugin that you need and configure it within the theme. So the first thing you need to do is go into your plugins and find the Breadcrumb Nav XT plugin. And what you see me doing here may be a little different because I'm running a multi-site install. So I need to first go into my network admin and go into the plugins to add new. On the multi-site, you install plugins from the network admin rather than from the individual sites. So I'm just going to type in Breadcrumb Nav XT and search. And the first one that comes up is the one we want. And so we'll click Install Now. And I'm going to network activate it. You won't need to do that unless you're running on a multi-site installation. And now I'm going to go back into my individual site. And if we go down to the settings, you can see that the Breadcrumb Nav XT has been installed. Now if I go into my site and refresh, you'll see this additional box popped up underneath the header, and that's our Breadcrumb Navigation. And it's showing us that we are on the home page. And if we go into an individual post, it'll show you the post name and the category structure that this post resides in. Now to customize the settings for the Breadcrumb Navigation, go into your theme options under the Posts and Pages tab, which is already selected, and you can scroll down to a new section called Breadcrumb Navigation. And this is where you control the background color, whether or not it's transparent, the text color, the link color, and the hover color, whether or not you want it underlined, the font size, the font weight, and the introduction text, which is right here. So it says "You are here." This is where you customize that text. So let's go ahead and make some changes here, and I'll just kind of show you how they work. Actually, let's stick with the red. And I'm not going to knock out the background because this design, where we have the borders around it, it just looks better when we have a background. But if we're using a different design that maybe has transparent areas, maybe your feature area is transparent, that option allows you to remove this background color and set the breadcrumb directly on the page background. I'm just going to customize these settings a little bit. And it's going to be pretty nasty looking. And we'll make them a little bigger and bold them and save the changes and refresh the page. And there's our new settings. So you can see we have the red background color now. We have the yellow text color, which is for anything that's not linked. And then we have the kind of hot pink color for the link color and the purple for the hover color. So that is how you install and use Breadcrumb Navigation in FlexSqueeze 1.5.